Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest crypto news and price predictions. Here's when Bitcoin will start growing again, billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried. FTX boss believes that crypto will back a comeback, and shared his vision of how soon it would happen. Crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, who founded and is running the top-tier crypto exchange FTX, believes that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will start rising again, and it may happen soon enough. Not nervous when Bitcoin slumped to $20,000, in a recent interview with Bloomberg on David Rubenstein's show, the FTX boss stated that he was not very nervous when he saw that the flagship cryptocurrency's price dropped below the $30,000 level in May of this year. The recent slump below the $20,000 level was caused by the speech delivered by Fed Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, where he said that the U.S. central bank will maintain its hawkish position longer than was expected previously. When asked whether crypto will make a comeback, Bankman-Fried answered in the affirmative. He believes that, largely, the fall of Bitcoin and of the stock market has been impacted by the macroeconomic environment. He reckons that the crypto market followed the stock market crash and, thus, if the latter is going to return, says crypto. A lot of weak hands were flushed out from crypto. When Bitcoin began dropping in May, the FTX CEO expected this road to be rocky from the very beginning. And it lived up to his expectations, as many crypto businesses went broke due to the massive price fall of crypto. Previously, Today reported that Sam Bankman-Fried had actually invested approximately $1 billion into crypto platforms as loans. However, in a recent interview, he admitted that he does not expect all of these investments to be profitable but rather to show mixed results. He added that lots of things that needed to be flushed out of the crypto market were flushed out from it during the recent price crash. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Here's why this crisis is short-term. He believes Sam Bankman-Fried said that, in his view, the current crisis is not a long-term issue. Don't forget to subscribe. It would have been, per Bankman-Fried, if the Nasdaq index dropped by 30 to 40% and Bitcoin dropped to $10,000 per coin, as it was before 2020. In that case, there would have been another round of pain for the industry, and it would have become more of a medium to long-term problem. But the crypto market will start going back up when the stock market does, the CEO claimed. Bitcoin showing resilience now. Some experts have told Bloomberg that Bitcoin may have reached a bottom by now, dropping roughly 6% after Jerome Powell stated on August 26 that the Federal Reserve intends to stick to its hawkish strategy and, thus, price pressures on the stock market will continue. In these bearish conditions, traders believe that the BTC fall was rather mild. During previous recessions, cryptocurrencies fell much harder than tech stocks. This time, according to analysts, Bitcoin is showing some resilience, which is a promising sign. Presently, Bitcoin has fallen 70.81% from the all-time high reached in November of last year, when it hit $68,789. The current price level is close to the historic price peak Bitcoin reached in December 2017, which was the first significant all-time high for the flagship cryptocurrency. Mt. Gox Bitcoins will be released on Ethereum merge date. Coincidence? Luckily, market will not get crushed by around $3 billion held by famous online Bitcoin exchange. The calmness of the market at the end of August and the beginning of September will be temporary, as at least two major factors that might cause volatility spikes appear in the space: the merge update on Ethereum and the release of Mt. Gox Bitcoins worth around $3 billion. According to the information on the prohibition of assignment, provided by Richard Hart, the Bitcoin's release date is set for September 15th, which is somewhere around the day that the Ethereum merge update will go live. Later on, Richard Hart made a clarification, stating that the date does not necessarily mean that the market will see a spike in selling pressure on the release date. Apparently, it is a date on which internal transfers of the credit become unavailable. The real notice of release, expectedly, would cause a massive red candle on the market, as investors would most likely sell their assets to avoid losses when the huge volume hits the market. Since it is not clear when the massive Bitcoin exchange will manage its own funds, the market should not worry about the sudden injection of $3 billion in selling volume. The only potential source of extreme volatility in September would be the merge update. Ethereum price movement in the last 24 hours. Ethereum continues sideways. ETH/USD traded in a range of $1,536.55 to $1,581.95, indicating low volatility over the last 24 hours. Trading volume has declined by 29.28%, totaling $16.94 billion, while the total market cap trades around $189.8 billion, resulting in market dominance of 19.49%. Ethereum price action has seen sustained selling over the second half of August. From the last major swing high, ETH/USD has already lost around 30% to the current low of around $1,450. From there, recovery followed as the second retracement began. This time, resistance was found at $1,600 and later retested with failure to move higher. Likely this means that ETH buyers are exhausted, and another pivot lower is about to be seen. The first obstacle for Ethereum price action would be the $1,500 local support. Once it is broken, we expect ETH/USD to drop all the way past the $1,400 next major price mark. Ethereum price analysis. Conclusion. Ethereum price analysis is bearish today as we have seen consolidation after a clear lower high set at $1,600 at the beginning of the week. Therefore, we expect ETH/USD to drop even further over the next few days and look to move past the $1,420 previous swing low. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. The merge. Everything you need to know about Ethereum's big upgrade. Ethereum's biggest ever software upgrade, the merge, will take place in just over 2 weeks' time. The upgrade changes Ethereum's consensus mechanism to make it more energy efficient. After years of planning, Ethereum is approaching its highly anticipated blockchain upgrade called the merge. Assuming everything goes as planned, the merge will be Ethereum's biggest moment to date as it permanently changes its underlying consensus mechanism, which is used to secure the blockchain network. The main purpose of the merge is to change Ethereum's current proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake to help the network be more energy efficient. Technically, the proof-of-stake chain, called the beacon chain, is already live, but it's not yet integrated with the main blockchain. When the merge takes place, it will take the current blockchain and merge it, hence the name, with the proof-of-stake chain. Afterwards, Ethereum will be running on proof-of-stake. Why is the merge happening? The reason why Ethereum's development team wants to transition to proof-of-stake is primarily to make it energy efficient. Ethereum's present consensus mechanism relies on mining, in which computer chips are used to solve cryptographic puzzles. While proof-of-work is effective, it's considered to be highly energy-intensive and mining resulting in high amounts of carbon emissions. It is estimated that the Ethereum network consumes approximately 75 terawatt-hours per year, which is about the same as Austria's annual power consumption. This is different in a proof-of-stake system, where the blockchain is secured by validators who are selected by staking tokens. Thanks for watching. See you next video.